Please hang up and try again.
Hello, Chef here with another video for you. This one here is knife maintenance tips, and it's after Thanksgiving, and this knife was used quite a bit. It's still got a beautiful edge, it's polished good and all that. However, it might have touched some bone. So we're going to work on that one. This one, carving knife, really sharp. It was used a lot. It's kind of a beater, but anyway, got to do a little maintenance on there. And this one here, Japanese knife, oh, so sharp. Maybe just a quick touch up on the edge. So to move along here, I'm only using I'm only going to use one stone today, and I wanted to share that with you. I'm going to prepare my surface right here and grab that stone. Okay, here we go. This is a 1000 grit from Japan, and this has been soaking in water now for about a half hour. This is the cleaning block. Sometimes these come with, otherwise you could use another sharpening stone. Cleans and flattens. You just do a little motion like this, and you can see it's removing some of the metal and debris. And then when you're done with that, you give it a rinse and maybe just a quick wipe off with the paper towel like this. Okay, we're ready to go. It's clean, it's looking good. And if you need to, you can put just a touch more water on the stone as you're working. Keep that moisture on there, okay? Just like that. All right, so first, this one had a lot of abuse this Thanksgiving, so here we go. We're going to give it just a quick touch up. All right, heel to the tip, and if you're not sure about the angle, then you use the guide clips. Okay, I might be done. You can see all that metal. We're going to check it real quick. This, by the way, is a really good German knife. Let's see what we got. That's really sharp. Okay, done with that one. Now the next one, put a little more water on here. You can see the stones are drying up very quickly. All right, so you don't want to scratch up this pretty blade with the granite edge, and it's fancy, it's a nice knife. Use the clips. Okay, from the heel to the tip. Less strokes, this knife is already pretty sharp. Okay, gonna wipe it off and check it. Piece of paper here. This is 2 layers of paper. Yeah. Can you get it sharper? Yes, by moving on to other stones. But for now, wow, baby sharp. Okay, the last one, Japanese knife. This is handmade by one of the masters for me in Japan. And wow, this knife's sweet. Here we go. Real quick. Okay, wipe it off. Check it on the paper. Yeah, that baby is really sharp. That's it. That's my video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor right there. And if you need any of these awesome knives or sharpening stones, by now you know where to get them. Have a great day. I wanted to mention this is edge grain maple. The strips of wood run left to right. It's very functional, very nice. This is end grain maple. The pieces of wood are turned in little squares. We also call this checkerboard look. And it maintains it, repels moisture and water. So that's it. These products are in stock at your sponsor, chefdepot.com. Thanks for watching.